So this is a more frequent update, just because quite a lot's happened in the last week. So just to start off, outside, I'm not going to bother going out because it's all a bit soggy and windy. The pillars for the deck are in. This big pad here is for the outdoor kitchen, which it turns out is going to weigh about anywhere between 500 and 600 kilos, as it's got a lot of metal in it and a lot of concrete. So the deck structure wouldn't basically hold it. So they put that pad in there. You can just see over there, there's the pad for the fire pit, and all these verticals of green oak will be what the deck sits on. 2 packs of timber over there, that's about half the timber needed to build the deck, but that's kind of getting on. But inside, you can see the boarding is going really well. So now I've got holes in for the speakers and for the light fittings. Come down here and get a real sense of how all of this is starting to look as well, which is pretty cool. Over here, I can't remember where the shower fitting in was last time, but that is now, which is pretty good. And all of this stuff just behind, all the pipe work for the down pipes is now done properly. Just got a little bit of additional boarding out to do up there. The olive tree is starting to look really good. I think this may even be olives in time, I'm not really sure, but that's quite exciting if that's the case. If we come over here, they've started boarding out this one up here with some special curvy, board? Plasterboard. And then the gym, ironically not much has happened here, but in the back, the screening's been done at the floor here. But we've got some more plant gear in here too. So this thing here does the air handling, so basically is responsible for taking out the humidity from the air and then getting fresh air in without like real big energy losses. That's quite clever. That is the filtration system for the pool, filtration tank. That thing up there organises all the pumps and things. That thing over there manages all of the sort of statistics and trend monitoring about ozone levels and chlorine levels and all that kind of stuff. You can see one of the pumps down there, and then down there, which you can't really see, is part of the heating system, the buffer tank and stuff. So it's really starting to move on. We've got this bit up here, which is just a thing to attach some gym equipment to. That's really strong. That, because they're still so strong, managed to get through, I think they said 50 quid's worth of drills and a drill driver, so it's quite funny. But anyway, really good update. Next week, hopefully, they would have made big progress on out there, on the deck, and on here. They're starting plastering on Tuesday, apparently. Boarding should be done, I guess, Monday. So we're going to really see something moving on, which is terrific, actually. About time. So another update next weekend. Actually, maybe not next weekend. We may be going to France, although I think we got the date of the air bridge out by 1 day, which means I don't think technically if we flew there we'd be allowed to get into France, but we'll see.